Welcome to qnawire.
We are given, and you should always be starting any proof with the information that's given, but we just have part of it right now. That angles 1 and 4 form a linear pair. By the linear pair supplement theorem, that just means angles 1 and 4 are supplementary. The other piece of given information was that angles 1 and 2 are supplementary. You must be learning about the congruent supplements theorem, which means any two pairs of angles that are supplementary, if any angles are supplementary to the same angle, then they are also supplementary to each other. And therefore are congruent. So what that would mean, if 1 and 4 are supplementary, 1 and 2 are supplementary, that since angles 2 and 4 are both supplementary to angle 1, angles 2 and 4 must be congruent, is what the congruent supplements theorem says. From the picture, we know that angles 2 and 3 must be congruent because they are vertical angles. Vertical angles, and it's probably the congruence theorem. And then by the transitive property, if angles 2 and 4 are congruent and 2 and 3 are congruent, 2 is like a common thread here. If both 3 and 4 are congruent to 2, they're congruent to each other. Plus, you should always want to end a proof with exactly what you wanted to prove. We wanted to prove that angles 3 and angles 4 are congruent, and we can do that because they're both congruent to angle 2. That is transitive.